First method is simple random sampling that comes under category of probability sampling. Simple random sampling is that method in which each item of the universe has an equal chance of being selected in the sample, which item will be included in the sample and which not. Such decision is not made by an investigator on his will, but the selection of the unit is left on chance. And there are some important methods for simple random sampling. वेरियस सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पलिंग वह टेक्निक है जिसमें कि हर एक यूनिट को पॉपुलेशन की इक्वल चांस मिलता है सैंपल में सिलेक्ट होने का. डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स अडॉप्ट की जाती हैं सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पलिंग के. इसमें फर्स्ट है लोटरी मेथड. In this method, each unit of the population is named or numbered, which is marked on separate piece of paper. Such sheets are folded and put into some urn or bag. Thereafter, as many sheets are made is selected by some person, as many units that are to be included into a sample. Next method is table of random numbers. Some experts have constructed random number tables. These tables help in selection of a sample. Of all such various tables, Tippett's table is the most famous and still in use. Next is use of computer. Nowadays, lottery method and table of random number method seems to be tedious and time consuming. Therefore, computers may be used for drawing random sample in the manner as a researcher wants. Grid system. This method is generally used for selecting the sample of an area. So in this method, a map of the entire area is drawn. After that, a screen with a square is placed upon the map and some of the squares are selected at random. Then screen is placed on the map and area falling within the selected squares are taken as samples. So these are the four methods and four techniques of simple random sampling. Lottery method जिसमें कि कुछ चिट्स एक बैग में या फिर एक बाउल में डाल दी जाती हैं और उस पर मार्क कर दिया जाता है और फिर उसमें से कुछ भी जितनी भी हमें सैंपल में यूनिट्स इंक्लूड करनी है उतनी चिट्स उसमें से उठा ली जाती हैं एट रैंडम. टेबल ऑफ रैंडम नंबर जिसमें कि टिपेट्स टेबल सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस है जो कि यूज़ किया जाता है एट रैंडम यूनिट सेलेक्ट करने के लिए. एंड यूज़ ऑफ कंप्यूटर मेथड इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी पॉपुलर. एंड ग्रिड सिस्टम जहाँ पर एक स्क्रीन ली जाती है और उसमें एक स्क्वायर एक मैप के ऊपर रख दिया जाता है और फिर वो जो स्क्वायर्स हैं एट रैंडम उठा लिए जाते हैं and then screen is placed on the map and area falling within the selected squares are taken as the samples. So these are the techniques of simple random sampling. Let's understand it. There is a population and we have applied simple random sampling technique and we have taken a sample of 6 members. These have been selected at random using the technique of simple random sampling.